Roswell Flight Test Crew, back at CES 2019 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're talking to our friend Vernon Kurzweil with Extreme Flyers. How you doing, Vernon?
Very well, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm having fun. And we're here because you're about to release something new unto the world. Shall we show the people what it is?
Yep.
All right.
Today is the preview of Microdrone 4.0. This is our brand new product. It's just revealing here for the first time. We're previewing it at CES 2019.
And you guys have developed some pretty interesting products also, all kinds of amazing tech. So what are you bringing into this one?
Right, so the Microdrone 4.0 is all about stable video. So people want three things in a drone. They want a hovering drone which stabilizes on its own without the need for any manual controls. The second thing is the smooth video. And for the 3.0, we really wanted to make a drone which had smooth video, but the gimbal didn't work really accurately for like smooth shots. So for the last 2 years, we've been refining that and making it better. And now we've got a perfect 2-axis gimbal using amazing technology, which is literally just perfect. So now the smooth video is just like buttery smooth. It's amazing.
Yeah, what was the third thing?
They want an affordable price because, you know, at the moment, to get smooth video, you need to have like a professional drone, and that's like between $600 and $1,000. But the technology is already out there to make all that technology small enough and affordable enough. So what we've done, we've taken that, miniaturized it, and now it's going to be on a single small-sized drone for $200.
$200?
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow. So you want to get one of these. How do we do that?
So we're launching on Indiegogo on 29th of January. It's actually funny because this is where it all began 4 years ago. And we made the 3.0, we shipped it, people loved it. And now after 2 years, we've been listening to the feedback and we learned from the experiences of the first campaign. So now we're ready to go in production for the 4.0, and it's really cool.
So how are you maintaining that stability people like in a drone at that price?
So we've taken the technology from an endoscope. You know those little tiny cameras? What we've done, we've taken that camera and we've turned that into the optical flow system. So that gives it visual positioning. So when you're flying, the drone just sits on the spot and it doesn't move. It just uses the ground to position itself. So when you take off, press one button, it just sits there in the sky and uses a barometric air pressure sensor to be able to hover on the spot. So when you combine those together, it just gives you really accurate hovering capability.
So what's going to be the control mechanism here? Are you going to use your smartphone, or are you going to have a 2-joystick controller?
So there's two ways to fly it. One is with the app, so you can use your iPhone or Android, and that's based on Qualcomm's wireless technology. That's a really powerful microcontroller which gives you robust long-range Wi-Fi. So that'll give you 500 feet of range, and it's uninterrupted. When you combine that with the drone's autonomy, it just sits there in the sky, and you can see the video from the drone with very low latency. And Qualcomm's the leader in that, so we chose that chip over all the others. When you have the app control, you can have all the smart shots as well. So in that app, we've got an AI system based on Neurala's artificial intelligence tracking. So that gives you the circle shots. So it'll fly away all the way around you, and it'll just keep you locked in the middle, and also has follow me functions. So you can walk down the street and the drone will just follow you using the 2-axis gimbal to keep the drone aligned.
And are you going to do a 2-joystick controller?
We are, yes. So we've designed a brand new controller which is really beautiful and ergonomic, because you know the 3.0 controller looked a bit sort of like old school controller. So we've designed a really nice one, and if we hit our funding goal, we'll be launching that and we'll be announcing that, and that'll work with the Microdrone 4.0.
Well, fantastic. Well, Vernon, always a pleasure to catch up with you.
Thank you. Yeah, really nice to see you. I'm really excited about this launch.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it too. So from CES 2019 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off. Thanks again.
Fantastic.